Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Have a nice time to enjoy this talk. First of all, I thank the TEDx organizers for giving me an opportunity to share my views in the title, Social and Environmental Impact on ICT. All of you know that ICT play a major role in our daily day-to-day life. ICT revolution has transformed the whole world, brought it closer, and it improved the speed, efficiency and the effectiveness of the communication system beyond our imagination. Is it true? So this is the real trend today. Wherever we go, ICT play. ICT changed the lifestyle. It changed the style of our business. It changed the style of our financial transaction. It changed the style of our education. Even it changed the style of our culture itself. See the network structure. The current situations where all the infected media is there, infected server is there, valuable data is there, online payments are going on, and also social engineering is also going on there. So what we have to do? All of you know that a system is a composite entity made up of interrelated elementary units. We jointly perform a task to achieve a common goal. ICT is also a system made up of the interrelated elementary units, hardware, software, people and network. All will group together to achieve the success of the technology. The success of the technology depends on the user. If the user uses the technology in a correct way, which shows that it is a success of the technology. So, we are in a position to create awareness among the user, how to use the technology and what to do and what not to do. So, the adoption and usage of the computers and information technologies has affected human lives, behaviors and activities in many ways. So, the impact of progress of science and technology on life has to be assessed in order to ensure that the progress of science is socially relevant. So we are entering into a new computing era called green computing, cloud computing and human computing. What do you know about the term human computing? That we call that. Human computing is an attempt to promote the study of ethics, what to do and what not to do. Equality, empathy, environment, excellence, and all these are. Quote the word, no to promoting technology for degradation in the humanity. You see the picture? Network teacher. The teacher is surrounded by so many technologies. If the teacher is not ready to know about the technology, definitely they will go aside in the future. The next slide. You see the cartoon picture? The students ask, how can you are using this such an outdated technology? The teacher asks the students, where is your homework? Already uploaded in the Facebook, you go and see it. That is the trend we are facing in the future. Next. So technology never replaces the teachers. However, the teachers should know how to use the technology effectively to help their students connect and collaborate together. Online will replace those who do not have. So learning to change. Definitely the teachers should come forward. If they are not ready to cope up with the new technology, definitely they will go aside in their future. So this is a future trend. Are we ready for the next generation? Next. So, when you go to Facebook, you have to improve your online identity. Most of the people, see the cartoon picture? On the Facebook, 270 people know who I are, but the rest can see only my limited profiles. Wikipedia, a joint venture, a knowledge dictionary. You all group together and collaborate and form a big data dictionary. We call that as wikipedia.org. In the second Cisco annual meeting, connected to the world, networking purveyors in 14 countries and the global found that 33% of globe and 95% of the Indian college students and young employees admitted to internet was as an important in their lives, just like air, water, food. And more than half of the students globally said that they could not live without internet and cited that it is an integral part of their life. And second, in Asia, second largest users in India, 71% in India. Next. The success of the technology depends on users. So the progress of science and technology is like an axe in the hands of the pathological criminal. So what is happening in the banking sectors? Next. Normally, the banking sectors, the routine transactions becoming both costly and time consuming, so the banks are converted to virtual banking. And the introduction of credit card, debit card and all these things are entered into ICT. What is happening in the ICT world? You see the first picture and the second picture. What is the difference? What is the name of that equipment? Anybody in this forum? All are MBA students, please. ATM, I know. What is the next picture? What is the attachment, name of the attachment? And what is the use of it? So we are using an ATM card. All are very busy in transaction only, concentrate only on the transaction, but you don't know what is the attachment there. That attachment we call that as a skimmer. A skimmer is an electronic device which is used to duplicate the information of your card. So be careful when you are using. So this is awareness. The success of the technology depends on the user only. If the user uses the technology in a correct way, it shows that it is a success. If you control the technology, you are rich. If the technology controls you, we are poor indeed. Just like Indran movie. So you see the family box. When you go to the ATM, see the family box is facing you. If it is not facing you, be careful. Next. What is a camera is inside the family box, which is used to record your password information. Next. Next, okay, next. So when you are doing internet banking transactions, so what you have to concentrate on? First of all, you have to identify whether the site is a genuine or not. Right? How can you identify? It can be followed by yes, HTTP, yes followed. If it is, there is no HTTP, be careful. And also, when you are opening a website, there is a lock on the site, which indicates that that is a secured and SSL secured layer also there. ICSI website for transactions, you see the first picture and the second picture. In the first picture, there is no HTTP and there is no lock. In the second picture, which website is genuine? Second. So that to comprehensively and effectively improve the address of the environmental impacts of the computing and make the environmental network banking cycle greener by addressing the social and environmental sustainability. What do you know about the term green computing? Green computing is a study and practice of manufacturing, disposal, usage and designing of the electronic equipment efficiently and effectively without affecting the environment. This is the main aim. And also, the system is tie up with people, network and hardware. The future technology in the marketing, how the technology will go so. Previous, you click the movie. Previous. How the future shopping trend in the ICT based is going on in the market. Video clip. இல்ல அந்த வெளிய வந்து அந்த வீடியோ கிளிப் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.
This is the hottest of the season. Okay. It's a little too goofy, too purple, too short, too hot. Yeah, that's new. Okay. I think my mom wore this. This is great.
So Cisco future ICT technology, where
Just did.
our computer data mining, image mining, and all these concepts are entered into this technology. And when you are go to the technology concepts, first technology, then process, and then user. The success of the technology is only on these three issues. Technology for underground, first lower level is technology, upper level is the process, and the top layer is user. If the user use the process correctly, the technology becomes success. Last. Next. Last photo. So when you are using the system, there are so many health resource problems we have to face. So repetitive strain injury, computer vision syndromes, carpal tunnel syndromes, neck shoulder pain, and other symptoms we have to face in the future. Next. What's a cloud computing? A cloud computing is a computing model where the computing power, memory, storage, software, all are abstracted and provided as a service over the network effectively as and when you are needed, as a pay and use systems. So some of the green tips. When you are using search engines, you are always going for Google. So instead of Google, you go for blackhill.com. So blackhill.com is a new, effective, green search engine which improves the healthier environment for the searchers. So the feature, the first in 1989 features multimedia, and in 99 features the web, and in 2009 features the smart mobile, and in future 2015 we are moving into cloud architecture. So this is my conclusion. Man is a social animal, and it is tough to live with and without friends, girlfriends and bosses and workmates, etc. So if in our lives we are often subjected to good and bad choices, and it is only ourselves decide who we want to and who also have the benefits of loss. The same thing is in the social network also. So there is a way on the middle path, and only we can choose how to find the path and how to utilize the path in the best possible way. So with that, I conclude my talk. Thank you for giving me an opportunity.